guys, Ramzan.
Hello, Klamaidin, is it working?
एक मिनट एक मिनट
Want to get into software development, data?
Yes, I think that now I am online. Can you please test it and let me know?
yes it's working
Working, right? Okay, great. So I think, am I audible? Can you please test and let me know? Like I am audible to you? I am audible?
Want to get into software development, data?
Klamaidin, I am audible?
yes yes
Okay, great. So, good evening everyone. This is my second live session. So here in this video we are going to explore a lot of stuff. Basically we will be implementing marquee effect, which you can see on the top of this bar, and another is we will be improving the contact us page like this in our test or maybe development store, so you can copy and paste this stuff and you will also able to implement it into your way. So let's get started. So the first thing is like how I implemented this one and how you can actually improve this, because in some cases people are stuck with the font family, font size, background color. So I will explain you everything in this video. So now let's come to our first task, which is like we should go to our partner program. So actually I have registered with the partner program where I have some development stores. So mostly I work here. So let me click on any of the stores, for example this one where I am doing development. Let me click here, and here you can see that I have installed a down theme. So first thing first, so what I am going to do here is like I am going to implement this marquee effect. So I already written a documentation. So inside of it I have mentioned the steps, like firstly you should go to theme, click on edit code. So here is the theme, click on edit code.
लाइव स्ट्रीम बंद है यार
बंद हुई
बंद है ये
means it is not working.
تصميم اللوجو هو
Hmm? Yes, I think it is working, man.
नहीं चल रही है yes yes
Is it working right? Okay, perfect. So guys, here the thing is like what should we do? I'm going to close all these files. Actually yesterday I implemented few things into this theme. So now the first thing is we are going to create a new section. Click on this and click on add a new section and paste the name of that section. So for example right now we are implementing marquee, so you should copy this and write here marquee and click on done. Next is you should delete the code from inside and paste the code which is here. So I have already added the style as well as the HTML code as well as the schema. So each and everything you should paste it here and then click on save. Once this is done, then you have to do here is you should go to layout. For example, we have theme.liquid. So inside of it you have to search like announcement bar. So for example in some cases you will not able to find the announcement bar. So how we can do that? So let me show you. Here you can see that we have card drawer. Just above it at the top, actually at the first point, for example you can see this marquee effect is on the topmost level. So how we can do that? So you should include that here. So how to include that section? You should write here section, and inside of it you have to write marquee. So that's how you can actually include that section. So this section is valid or not, once you are hovering over it, it will be showing the arrow. So that arrow is just proving the point that this section exists. Okay, then click on save. And for example I am refreshing this page, so let's see. Yeah, great. So this is working fine. So how we can customize the stuff? For example, this text we are interested to change. So how we can do that? You should go to the dashboard again. Here we have to click on customize, and then you should click on mark queue announcement, and on the right side you can see that we have welcome to our store. So for example, we can say that flash sale is on. Okay. One more thing. First example, you are interested to write another string. So how you can add that? Right now everywhere you can see flash sale is on. So you should write pipe symbol, and you should write maybe shipping in US. So let me see if that works or not. Maybe in the documentation I will have mentioned. Okay, here we don't have, but inside the code I have already given the steps. Okay, yes, this pipe symbol actually works. Okay, let me save these changes and let's see. Yes, great. Now you can see that I have separated the string using pipe symbol. So actually I have added the pipe symbol, and you can see we have flash sale, we have shipping in US, and everything is separated with its complete space. One more thing is, like for example, you are interested to reduce the height of this. So how you can do that? You should right click, and I am going to click over here. So here I have written the height, so I'm going to reduce it. Maybe firstly I'm going to change the background color so that it will be more better to understand. Okay, this way. Let me refresh it back. Here we go. Now you should inspect and then change the height. Here we have the height of 43 pixel. I'm reducing it. Now you can see that, for example, this one is better, 29. So here you can see that we have a height 43 pixel. I am going to write here 29. So we have 29. Another thing is, like we have added one bottom 6 pixels, so you should remove this. Okay, so here we have bottom 6 pixel. I'm going to remove it, and then again refresh it back. Here you can see that it is flexible more. And if you are interested to increase the font size or something, so you can also do that. Right now we have background color and text color and links also. So if you are interested to add any kind of link on this, so for example, someone is clicking on this and redirected to all the products. So click on all the products and click on save. So let's refresh it, and here we go. Now I'm clicking over here and it is redirected to my products page. Okay, now the next stuff is like what I was thinking about. Okay, font size. So for example, you are interested to increase the font size. So how you can do that? Here we have track, here we have anchor tag. Yeah, here we have font size. So maybe you can write here font size. Wait a minute. Here in the developer console, actually I am testing and then I am pasting the code inside of files and then saving, and then it is permanent. So font size, for example, 20 pixel. So can you see it is increased now? So 20 pixel is not good. So maybe 18 pixel. So I have to find this class name inside of this, and here you can see that just below this margin left, I am going to write here font size, and then click on save and maybe refresh it back, and you will see that changes are permanent now. Now one more thing is, like for example, I am interested to see this in my mobile view. So how it will look? It will look like this. Okay, so if you want, you can actually reduce the font size in your mobile view also. So for example, for only mobile view, I am interested to decrease the font size of this. So how we can do that? You should write here a what we will call it, media query. Okay, I'm going to write code like media query @ media only screens and max width 800 pixel. So for 800 pixels and below screens less than 800 pixels, this will apply. Okay, I am going to copy this class name, and then font size should be not 80, but we can maybe make it 16 pixel. Okay, so let's refresh it, and here we go. You can see that now the font size is not 18, it is now 16. Can you see? If I am removing it, it increases. Okay, so that's how you can actually add it. And one more thing is, like for example, you are interested to change the font family. So how you can do that? So let me see, font family. So on the right you can see we have a lot of free fonts, so you can change it. Can you see? This is inter, this is auto, cursive, emoji, fang song, fantasy, math, monospace, none means default, sans serif. Okay, all these fonts are available here, so you can update to any font which you like. Okay, perfect. So maybe I like to use for now this one. Which one? Yeah, this one, cursive. So how I am going to add here? You should copy this font family and then paste it right here, so it will be applied. Okay, let me refresh it back, and here we go. Now the font family is applied. So what we did actually, we improved the font size, we improved the font family, and if you want, you can change the color of this. How we can do that? Here we have the text, text color. So you can click here. For example, I am adding a red, so you can see that we have red. If you are making it black, so, and text is white, so that's how it will look. Okay, so for now, if you are interested to maybe make it background color white, so that's how it will look. Okay, so this is more beautiful now. So one more thing. So first example, someone is saying like, I am not interested to use this announcement bar, so how I can hide it? So here you can see that we have announcement bar. You should click on this I button and it will automatically hide. Okay, so this is how you can do it, and for now I need that announcement bar, so I will keep it. So one more thing I am interested to implement here. Yeah, no problem. So for now that's good. So let's move ahead with the second part. Maybe one more thing I have to improve. Yeah, maybe you are interested to reduce, increase or decrease the speed of this. Can you see the speed is not good? And one more thing is, like, you should remove this space. You should only keep the pipe symbol, and it will automatically adjust. Okay, because in that way it will add equal space. And now I was interested to change what exactly? Speed. So how you can increase and decrease the speed? Here we have the speed, animation, mark you, 7 second, linear infinite. So if you are maybe adding 9, let me save this. Right now it is 7. Yeah, can you see it is slowed down? It slows down now. So you can increase and decrease the speed from this. Okay, So I think we are good to go now. If you have any problem or something, you can definitely ask me. I will help you out in that. So this thing I have implemented, and now let's move ahead with the contact us. So for example, I'm interested to make the contact us page like this. So how we can do that? Click on this. I have this contact us page. Okay. Okay, perfect. So right now I am having name, email, phone number, comment. So here you can see that we have only email, and I have changed this your Shopify store optional and message. So how we can improve this? So firstly, you should go to contact. You should search here contact. So we have contact form. Inside of it we have multiple fields. So we are interested to hide the name. Okay, so let me find here name. Yeah, this is email and this is name. So make sure that you should not delete it. Maybe you should write here comment. So how we can comment? You should write these statements and it will be commented. Okay, so you can see here like we have and we have curly brace, percentage and comment. This is starting of the comment and this is the ending of the comment. So for ending the comment you should write end comment. Okay, so this field automatically hides. Let me see. Perfect. Only email is there. So now we are interested to make this email more larger. So how we can do that? So actually we have this field contact form, field input, and let me see its width from here in the inspect. From here it is good. This one. Okay, display grid, you should remove this. Okay, contact fields. So I'm going to add some CSS. So where you should add the CSS, you should search here CSS, and here we have base.css. There may be any other CSS also. So in the bottom I'm going to add contact, and here you should write that CSS. Okay, so what I did, you should make it like display block. Okay, simple. So I'm going to write display block and then click on refresh. It is not working, so maybe we should write here important and then refresh it back. Still not working. Contact field, display grid. I have added display block. Okay, no problem. So we have to go to section contact form.css. So where we have contact form, section contact form.css, and here you should find contact fields, and we have this display grid. You should comment it out and then refresh it back, and you can see that we have email, phone number and comment. So now the question is like how you can change the placeholders. For example, I have added your email, so here we have email. So how we can change it? So inside of contact form.liquid So here we have placeholder or something. Yeah, this is the placeholder. So enter your email. You can write here enter email or what? Enter your email. So whatever text you are interested to write, you can write your email. And next is phone number. So right now we have your Shopify store URL is optional. So if you have phone number, then that's good. Enter your phone number. You can also write. You can change it actually. You can, if you want, you can remove this. So we have this telephone number. We are going to write enter phone number. Let me save, and we have to refresh. Here we go. Sorry, let me see. Contact form, placeholder. Okay, let me see the preview. Why it is not reflecting? Okay, maybe let me see its setting first. We have the pages, we have the contact. That is good. Right here, enter your phone number instead of this. Yes, so we need to change the label. So here they have actually mentioned the label, field label, and from here they are adding the string. And here we have your email. You should copy this and you should remove this and then put a colon and then paste it. Let me refresh it back, and here we go. Now you can see that we have your email, enter phone number and comment. And now I'm interested to use this color of the button into this one. So how we can do that? So firstly I'm going to right click on inspect, and here you can see that this is the CSS which is added here. So in the same way I am going to inspect this, and this is the button here. So I am going to write here, copy the contact button, and in the CSS at the bottom I am going to write here we have dot contact button, and inside of this contact button we have button class. So let's write dot button, and then after you should paste the CSS which is this one. So I'm going to copy this background from here and going to paste it right here, and let me save the changes. And let's see if that is reflecting or not. Here we go. Now you can see that the background is changed, and we have some border. So if you want, you can remove it. So maybe border none. Here we have any border? Yeah, we have a small border also, and the color is white. Yeah, color is good. And yeah, before and after we need to remove the border. So before and after, and here you should write border none. Let me refresh it back. Why? Yeah, this is the box shadow which is creating the problem, so you should remove it. So where we have this box shadow, this is button after. So I'm going to write here box shadow none. Border is already none. So let me refresh it back. Here we go. Now you can see that this is looking more beautiful. One more thing is like how we can center them out, because right now you can see that this is in the center. So you should click here, contact button, and text align center. Let me try that. Text align center. Yeah, this is working. So what you have to do is you have to write here dot contact button and then text align center. Okay. And next is, for example, you are interested to change this also. So how you can do? Page width, and make sure that this is the contact form. So how we can identify like this is the contact form or not? Because if we are modifying something here, so in all the screens heading it will be updated. So a minor change we have to do here is we have to go to theme.liquid, and inside of it we have to find the body. So this is the body tag. Inside of class you should write some space, then again back arrow, use curly braces 2 times, and write here template dot name. So let me refresh it back and I will show you what exactly I mean. So here you can see the body, class name is page. Okay, page is the template. So if I'm writing here su suffix, sorry, then what will happen? Yeah, can you see we have now contact? So you should use this class name, because in that way we will actually uniquely identify this, uniquely implement this CSS into this screen only for contact us. So you should write here contact, and we have this header actually. So man page title, you should copy this and maybe write here text align center, and now you can see that this is looking good. So I'm going to write here text align center and then click on refresh. Okay, great. So now you can see that we have everything looking more better, more beautiful. So that's how you can actually do it into your store. So let me see some chats, because some of the people are maybe asking the question. Something went wrong. Okay. Hi. So yeah, I'm good. How about you? Okay, one of the person is asking the question like he has a code and he is having an issue of something went wrong. So can you please send me store link so that I could test it out? And yeah, so one more thing, here you can see that we have some space under the contact. So how you can remove it? So you can see that this is the margin below. So how you can see that this is the margin? How much is the margin? So if you will scroll it down, here we have 40 pixel. So I'm going to remove this margin to 0. So we have here margin bottom 0, and then after it will show like this. Here we have no margin now, so you know it is looking more better now. Okay, so that's how you will able to implement it. Yeah, this is good. And yesterday we did some other stuff. So okay, so I think that right now we don't have any questions and all. So maybe if you have any problem or something, you can ask me. I will come online, I mean on live stream daily basis. So definitely we will be exploring a lot of stuff slowly and gradually. So for now, thank you so much for being connected with me. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel and keep asking the technical stuff so that I will explore more content on the live streams. And if you have any problem or something, you can ask me directly in the live chat, so I will try my best to help you out in that. So really grateful for having the time and spending with you. So thank you so much and bye. I'm going to